Hey folks, Adam here. Today we're going to do a little unboxing. Starts off with WellU and Viatom, Viatom. This is powered by Viatom technology, and this is an ArmFit blood pressure monitor. And then the ArmFit Plus, our blood pressure monitor with ECG. Figure we'll just open this one for the camera's sake. But we're going to tell you all about these products. And I have to say, having worked with WellU before, their stuff just flies off the shelves. People love buying it. I keep getting people telling me how much they love these products. So it says automatic upper arm blood pressure monitor. This is all the information you need inside. And yeah, this is just the most trusted brand in medical supplies that I've had an opportunity to work with, and they're just ridiculously fantastic. Okay. So let's see what I can show you here. Here's the blood pressure monitor. The fact that this ties into an app on your phone is going to be fantastic. You can see the quality here. This is a heavy duty product. Works for 22 centimeters to 42. Left arm. No latex. A lot of people do have latex allergies and don't even realize it. And then in here, we should have, and mind you, when I open these, it's truly an unboxing. I haven't faked this. I haven't opened this before the video. So at this portion of the video, I'm still fairly new to it. But I tell you what, I've heard so much positive things. All of you telling me I need to check out the blood pressure monitor. We've done the O2 sensors before, and people just love WellU. Tell you what. So here we go. People like to see this peel on video. Oddly satisfying, right? So it is rechargeable, and the batteries are fantastic nowadays. They will last up to 4 months. These are fantastic. I know the ECG, things like AFib and all sorts are things that these guys can check for. So we're going to put some overlays and tell you a little bit more about it. We're going to test it out, check it out. Give me a few days, then I'm going to put this in the same video, but I'm going to test it for a few days, really get a feel for it. You can see it uses and comes with USB-C, there we go, to charge, which charges just like your cell phone with USB on this side. And just a great opportunity here that you have pretty much wireless, rechargeable, battery operated, blood pressure, and ECG. You can tell everything about your heart and your blood. And let's face it, nobody wants to stroke out. Pay attention to your blood pressure. It could save your life. All right, folks, I'm gonna check it out, and we're gonna come back with the rest of the video. All right, folks, we know that monitoring your blood pressure is hugely important. I'm talking about heart attack, I'm talking about stroke, other disabilities. It could end your life if you're not maintaining and balancing and keeping track of your blood pressure. So the fact that in pretty much under a minute, you can check your blood pressure and get a full ECG is absolutely amazing. This is something I've never seen before from any company. Wireless, one touch, easy to use, and you can track it and keep a history on your phone. An easy app that Bluetooths into your device, and for a reasonable price. Get WellU, GetWellue. It's an amazing company. It says it's small and lightweight, it's easy to use, and it's easy to carry around. This is something you can take on a plane. This is something that can be used in ambulatory situations. Built-in memory set for 60 readings, so you can track the trends with your blood pressure. Real-time data in your app, Bluetooth enable, historic stats, stored and reviewed, automatic power on and power off, and the battery technology nowadays is absolutely fantastic. I'm talking about lithium-ion batteries that are built to last a long period of time. Some of those old batteries, they would have that battery memory and it would go down every time you'd use it. You don't have to worry about that. The technology is absolutely fantastic. Now, I'm just a big fan of WellU as a company. Their O2 sensors, we've used them with my mother-in-law. The price difference for the EKG or ECG, however you want to term it, It's not much, it's just a few dollars more. And look at the reviews on these things. I want to read you some of the reviews, but people are raving about this. I have it all in front of me. People absolutely love this product. Let me read you a paragraph out of it. It says the blood pressure machine can not only track your blood pressure, but also give you reliable EKG readings, helping you paint a comprehensive picture of your heart health. By holding the gadget in your hand on both sides, you can have EKG results in 30 seconds. That's for the model that has the EKG on it. Either way, easy to test this. I used to only know my blood pressure when I gave blood or went to the doctor, which could be once a year. And a year is a long time to go without checking your blood pressure. I'm going to read an exact verified purchase, Amazon, amazing device. This is an exact person's review. The device was shipped and delivered quickly in a luxury box. It's lightweight, comfortable, and easy to wear and measure. It is really comfortable. Measurements are accurate. The ECG works well. And it's got a great app. Overall, I recommend this product, 5 out of 5 stars. This person says they were in a brutal car accident. They decided to check their diastolic blood pressure. When it started to fall too low, this potentially saved their life so they could talk to a doctor. This doesn't replace going to a doctor, but it does help you know the overall health of your heart, of your blood pressure, can help you identify issues so you're not having that surprise stroke, so you're not having that surprise heart attack. So WellU, once again, great product, great company. Pick one up for yourself. You're absolutely going to love it. All right, folks, get one today. A great deal, great prices, and if for this price it saves your life, it's well worth it. All right, thanks for watching. WellU, the most trusted name in blood pressure equipment, oxygen sensors, and other medical equipment that I've ever used. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.